In summary, we've illustrated the process of case formulation from the perspective of control mastery theory and demonstrated how the formulation can be used to assess whether the therapist is passing or failing the patient's tests. For purposes of this presentation, we had to simplify several things. First, we used an actress to portray the patient. The patient we chose to portray is a composite of various cases, but what you saw in the clinical material is an accurate representation of actual case material. Second, we developed the formulation solely on the basis of the first session. In clinical practice, the initial case formulation is regarded as a set of tentative hypotheses which are refined and altered based on subsequent material. Third, we chose examples of passed and failed tests that are fairly cut and dry. Clinical realities are typically far more complex. Testing sequences are often much longer than those we have presented. Moreover, the nature of the therapeutic relationship will strongly influence how the patient is likely to experience the therapist's response to a test. For instance, the meaning of a failed test is quite different in a therapy where the therapist typically passes the tests than in a therapy where the therapist has been failing the patient's tests. To more fully appreciate the clinical richness of control mastery theory, I recommend my book, Transformative Relationships, which presents the theory, detailed clinical applications, an overview of research, and references to all of the major publications pertaining to the theory.